In this video, I will show you how to download Minecraft Java Edition on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Minecraft does have a few different versions of Minecraft. So for example, you've got like Minecraft Java, Minecraft Bedrock, and Minecraft for Windows. To get the Java edition of Minecraft, what you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the search box, and in here you want to go ahead and type store. Then what you need to do is click onto Microsoft Store. This should come up underneath Best Match. And once the store has loaded through, come up to the top to the search box, and in here you just want to go ahead and search for Minecraft. As you can see, there's going to be some different results, and you can see over here we got Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition for PC. So just go ahead, give that a click. This way you can come to actually purchase Minecraft Java. You also get the Bedrock Edition as well. But once you've done that, what you want to do is come back and you want to install something called the Minecraft Launcher. So you click onto the app, I've already installed it, you can see it says play, but yours is going to say get or install. So you want to give that a click to install the launcher and then click the play button. What it's going to do is launch the Minecraft Launcher. You just need to give it a minute or two to update. So just while I'm doing that, I'm just going to close down the store. Once the launcher has finished installing, if you come over to the left hand side, you can see the different Minecraft games. So of course you want to click onto Minecraft Java Edition, and at this point it should say play, but it might say install if you've not installed the Java Edition yet. Once that's finished installing, click the green play button, and that's going to launch Minecraft Java Edition on your PC. So that is how to download Minecraft Java Edition on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.